It's officially fall, and that means it's atole season. Today I made this atole de nuez, and it came out so good. All you need is just a few ingredients, and you're well on your way to having a delicious cup of this. Let me show you how I made this. In my pot on medium heat, I added in 1 liter of whole milk. I'm adding in 1 cinnamon stick. In my blender, I added 1 cup of pecans, 3 tablespoons of maizena, 1 can of evaporated milk, and some sweetened condensed. Blending that, but I'm not going to blend it all the way because I want to keep some of those pecans intact. I'm going to add this to my milk and keeping the heat on a medium. I'm going to whisk this and I'm going to keep whisking this until I get it to my desired consistency. And this is the consistency that I like. If you like it thicker, you want to keep mixing until you get it to your desired consistency. The moment has finally come and it is time to try this atole. Serve it up just like that. And I'm just topping that with a little bit more pecans on top. This atole de nuez is super delicious. And I had mine with some conchas, and it was just the perfect combo. Keep this recipe because this atole is super delicious. Enjoy.